Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have some PR here from Born Pretty. My representative sent me an email and asked if I wanted to try their new collection of polishes that are HEMA free. So I guess they're all jellies. So I said yes. I just told her to send me whatever. So she sent me 5 polishes here. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at all of them. Like I said, they're all jellies. 2 are semi-jellies. Number 9, and I missed that there, sorry. And then a milky jelly. This is number 5. And then 2 ice jellies. So yeah, I'm so excited that they're HEMA free. That's absolutely amazing. That's just great for people that have allergies, or even, you know, to use so that we don't develop any type of allergies. But yes, look at these bottles. These are the new bottles, and they are 15 mLs, and they're huge, and they're just so pretty, and I love the top. They now put the collection on the top. So it says semi-jelly, the milky jelly, that's number 5, and then the ice jelly 4 and 5. I love it that it has the what collection they're from. That's absolutely amazing. So yes, I'm gonna get my swatch sticks here. So first we're gonna do the semi jelly, and this is number 4, and this is a nude color. Oh no, this is not the nude. I'm so sorry. This is like a orange color. I'm so sorry, you guys. My brain has just, yeah, just all over the place. Yes, this is an orange, and then this is number 9, which is a red. On the top, the sticker kind of looks like a pink, but it's actually it's like a red. It's a red color. And then this is so beautiful, the milky jelly. This is number 5, and oh my gosh, I absolutely love this color. It's a nude, and it's just, oh, it's so pretty. So I am going to be doing 2 coats. I'm just going to show the 1 coat here, but they're so nice. They self-level, just absolutely amazing. Now we're going to take a look at the ice jelly. And this is like a another kind of an orange, a little brighter of an orange. This is number 4. But yes, it's so great that they came out with HEMA free polishes. Absolutely amazing. And then the last one here is ice jelly number 5, and this color is so pretty. It's like a, I don't know if it's like, it's more on the purple side, but then it's got like a pink tint to it too. It's just so pretty. Oh, I love it. Very perfect for spring. All right, so these are all the colors swatched here. They have 2 coats, and then I did go in with the super top coat, and they're just so pretty. So yes, this is like that, I guess it's like a nudish kind of color. At first it looked like it was orange, but it's kind of like a nudish kind of orange. This one's so pretty, this red, I absolutely love it. This is the milky jelly, so pretty, that nude, I love it. And then this is the ice jelly. This is more of an orange. And then this other ice jelly, which is like that purpley pink. Oh, it's just so absolutely pretty. I just love it. Perfect for spring. I do like those 2 colors together. I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna do. I definitely have to use these in a set. So yes, I will decide what I'm gonna do, and I'll be back. Alright, so I decided what I'm going to do. I already put my tips on the long sculptured square by Nail Couture, and I did use the 6-in-1 gel from Born Pretty. Yeah, my hands are so dry. Well, I put a lot of alcohol on the swipe just to clean them real good, because the tips got white underneath, so I made sure to, you know, try to get rid of it. So yeah, my hands look bad, but I don't want to put oil or nothing on it. So I did decide to use the semi jelly, the 09. The red color, and then of course that milky, because it's just absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna go in with the base coat. I'm gonna put the base coat on all the nails and then cure for 60 seconds. So I just wanted to talk real quick about the polishes. These are the HEMA free. It says they're created with our HEMA sensitive customers in mind. Enjoy a new, cleaner gel experience. So they're 10 toxin free, cruelty free, vegan friendly, low odor, natural resin, and safe for skin. So yes, there is so many to choose from when you go on the website. I mean, oh my gosh, there's so many. And then so yeah, I got the milky, the semi, and then the ice, and they do have glitter jellies. Oh, they're so pretty. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna look into getting those because they look gorgeous. So yeah, now I'm going in with the milky nude color, and it's so pretty. I did that on the pinky, the middle, and the thumb. And I did 2 coats, and then I cured for 60 seconds each coat. And now we're gonna go in with that 09, that beautiful semi jelly. It's like a red. It's so pretty. The reason why I chose this color is because I had some flowers that I want to use that have red in the middle, and then a butterfly that's like red. So yeah, I just wanted to do that. I will definitely be using that pink color, but I don't know, I just saw those flowers and I was like, to kind of transition from Valentine's to spring, I thought I'm going to use this red and then use those cute flowers and butterflies. So yeah, these are so pretty. So yes, I did actually 3 coats of the red because I wanted it to stand out, you know, kind of be like not real opaque, but just like still jelly, but have that vibrant red. So I found this foil that I have, and I don't know, I just thought, because it kind of matched the milky, you know, nude color, I thought I'm gonna put that over the red. So we're gonna see how it looks. I want to give a shout out to Nene's Nail Nook. I had such a hard time with foils before, and she actually commented on my last video that I used foils on. It was one of my Valentine sets, and she said that she cures hers for 2 minutes and then she keeps it out, you know, for a little bit. Once you take it out of the lamp, you want it to cool down a bit. So I did that. I did it for 2 minutes. I cured, you know, put the gel on, cured it for 2 minutes. And then I left it out probably for about 45 seconds to a minute, and I couldn't believe a difference. Because I had done a set yesterday, actually, I was going to try to do with like flowers and stuff, and it was coming out so bad. So I went back to my comments because like I know people were commenting because I told them please give me some tips. And yes, I tried yours, Nene, and thank you so much. I couldn't believe the difference. I mean, usually I'm sitting there struggling and like taking it off because it looks crappy, you know, but I was so surprised that, oh my gosh, it worked out so good. There's barely like, I mean, no pieces that are missing. I couldn't believe it. So yes, thank you so much, Nene. You're absolutely amazing. Go check her out. Her channel is just amazing. So yes, I'm doing the same thing to the index finger. I cured that for 2 minutes and I left it out, like I said, just about a minute. And yeah, just, I couldn't believe it. Usually I'm there struggling for like, I mean, a long time. So I still get crinkles. They don't go on perfectly straight, but I was still able to, you know, manage to get those crinkles out. And yeah, I actually like the way it looked. I don't know, it's just different. It's a faint, you know, design. But yeah, I thought it turned out super cute. So yes, look at that, how pretty. So we're gonna go on, of course, and do some stamping. I wanna use this image here with the butterflies and the dragonflies. And this is Dark Armor, I think it was. This is from Born Pretty, and look at this red. Oh my gosh. Their stamping polishes are really good. They are very, very good. I have a lot of them, and they are very good. You'll see this pickup was absolutely perfect. Nothing missing at all. The image was just super clear, and this red is absolutely gorgeous. So you'll see right here on the nail how pretty it looks against that nude. Oh gosh, I just love it. I think I'm actually going to do the other hand tonight just to wear for like the weekend, because I don't know, I just thought they came out really cute. And it wasn't that hard to do, you know, it was a pretty fast set. So yeah, just real simple. But yeah, I did add a little bit more to the tip because the stamp wasn't long enough, so just went in and added some extra little flowers there. So now I'm going to go in with the super top coat. I still wasn't sure what I'm going to do on the thumb. So yeah, I just wanted to top coat everything so nothing, no fuzzies or anything starts sticking to the nails. So yeah, we're going in with the super top coat and we're gonna cure that for 60 seconds. All right, so that's what they're looking like there. And these are the flowers here. Aren't they cute? And this butterfly, it's got the red, but then it's also got gold on the wings. It's really, really pretty. I think I got these from Nene's giveaway. I won a giveaway and I got so many charms. So yeah, I'm pretty sure these are from her and they're just so cute. Like I said, I wanted to kind of transition from Valentine's Day into spring. So I wanted to keep the red, but then, you know, do flowers and butterflies. So yeah, I think they matched perfectly. So we're just gonna be putting the rhinestone glue, and I was just trying to figure out if I wanted them like kind of diagonal or how I wanted it. I ended up just putting them like right at the cuticle and then putting that butterfly right underneath. All right, and this is the finished set here. So I decided to do the same stamping on the thumb. I just loved it so much. Very simple. I was gonna bling out like the ring finger and the index, but then I ended up not really liking it. So yeah, look it. I love them. I think they're perfect for transitioning into spring. Please check out Born Pretty. Their polishes are amazing. I have a discount code. I'm gonna leave everything down below. I hope you guys enjoyed and we'll see you next time. Bye.